Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you the good 4K tutorial in CapCut Mobile. So if you want that good 4K look on all your videos, this simple CapCut tutorial is all you need. It's an easy step-by-step guide to mastering high-resolution video, export and color corrections. So give your footage the upgrade it deserves. You won't believe the difference. Let's just start by uh, clicking on your project and enter your video. So import your video into CapCut PC. So for example, I want to edit this video right here, and then you can just follow my steps. After you add the clip, you can just go to overlay, add overlay, and then in here add this overlays right here, this one. Adjust the length so that it match with the clip, and also zoom it in so it cover the whole screen like this. Then go to splice, choose the overlay mode and lower it to around 30 to 35. Hit on a check icon, and then you can just go to effects, video effects, and you can find the HDR2, this one in here. So apply it to your clips like this. Don't forget to adjust the length, and then here click on adjust at the bottom, then follow my adjustment. So for the glow, lower it all the way to 0, range 100, size set it to around 40, and then for the sharpness set it into 100, atmosphere 10, and then the blur 0. Okay, so for the speed you can make it 0 or just leave it as it is. Hit on a check icon, and now you will see this result. So just follow the step that I show you in this video to get the good 4K quality. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. I'll see you all